Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 8:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational only. Twitter.com link below if you'd like to subscribe and get my intraday updates. I've been tweeting them out yesterday, as well as click on the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with my latest videos. Anyway, let's move forward. Nucypher, nothing's changed in terms of my full allocation into Nucypher. So I'm at 43.7 cents on average. A lot of stuff happening overnight. What's going on? Let's get straight into the markets. In this downward broadening wedge, it's still a bullish sign of things to come. We're going to run through where we've seen that sign very recently. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. We're at 35,000 and change. What a turnaround. Over one 24-hour period, this thing has turned around dramatically. Well, let's take a look at what's going on. So yesterday, we look at this. This looks very similar. This is the Nucypher US dollar pair right here. This is what's going on. Up and down, this downward broadening wedge. We had a much shorter term version of this downward broadening wedge with Bitcoin yesterday. And I pointed it out. It's a very short-term pattern. So it popped out of that broadening wedge pattern, came back down, pulled back, bounced back off the upper broadening wedge resistance line, and now we're back over what? We're back over that long-term resistance support line that we've been talking about. So we're actually back above. Now, we have to keep our eye on this. We just got above it. A couple of reasons driving Bitcoin's rise here. Yesterday, it became official. It became official that El Salvador has voted in this new legal tender Bitcoin, which is now in El Salvador. Price of Bitcoin as a result popped 5%. Paltry for something as significant. But as we shall see, other countries are starting to follow suit. Paraguay is now looking to legitimize a legal tender status for Bitcoin. And this Congressman, Carlitos Reala, through a Twitter announcement, mentioned it and then also changed his profile with laser eyes, which is significant of someone who is focused in on the Bitcoin movement. And lastly, just another small point, but Anthony Scaramucci, he said he's going to, he's fine with the volatility. He sees it up as upside. I've heard him on What Bitcoin Did, this podcast. If you haven't heard it, check it out. It's by Peter McCormick. They talk about, Anthony was on talking about all of the great things happening in Bitcoin, and it compared it to like an Amazon in its early days. So there's a lot of volatility with Amazon, and it's the same kind of concept here. We're early stages in this game, still in early stages, even though we've been 9 years and 10 years in the making. This thing's got, it's still going through growing pains through a globalization effort, and it's pretty exciting times. So very happy to see Bitcoin at 35 and change. When I woke up today, it was already close to pretty much at 34. We'll see where this thing goes. Now, Nucypher US dollar is in the middle of the range at 33, 34 cents. Nothing spectacular. Nothing really changed. A little bit of volatility here since late last night. We were up. We popped to 1123, and now we're back down. So 20% difference there. Just so everyone is clear. It's a pretty significant drop, but at the same time, we have this short-term that's been forming over the last few weeks, a short-term support line. So let's see how this holds up and just recognize the overall trajectory of this thing, which is this smile curve. So keep your eye on this. Hopefully we can stay above this yellow line there. Anyway, we'll keep our eyes on things as things pop up. I will tweet them out, and hope everyone's having a good day. Take it easy.